Yes, I still remain Mr. Adej Jude, the one man known for truth. I don't support evil. I say it the way they are. I don't fear anybody. Because in this country, they said if you say truth, you die. If you stay alive, you will still die. So why not say the truth? At least if you die and you save others. Why am I saying this? If you are living in Bagada Phase 2, you will notice that of recently, things are happening. Mysterious things are happening. Armed robbery, stealing is going on in that estate on daily basis. People can no longer sleep with their two eyes closed. Yet, we spend huge amount of money for securities. I don't want to say the fault is from management or whoever. But here is the warning. If the securities that are working in Bagada Phase 2 estates are not reliable, why not change them? They can't just be roaming about, watching things go wrong and nobody is talking. We all paid for this. They make it mandatory that we all have to pay for this ID card. Residential ID card. I have always been going out with my own, and since I collected this thing, no one has been able to ask me, not even one day, to present my ID card. Same goes to non-residentials, those that can freely walk into a state, a whole estate. This is not a street. This is not a marketplace. But people feel free to walk into a state and walk about as if it's no man's land. The other day, I was one that called a security agent to caution how students we are just standing by, romancing each other on a state. It is not fair. Why I'm saying this is because the rate of armed robbery that is going on in the state now, if they are not within, probably there are those that are walking to a state and remain there, waiting for the right time to carry on their operations. Estate, be it walking with foot or driving your car, you should always checkmate every single person. This shouldn't be for fancy. This shouldn't be for money making sake, because I know they make a lot of money from this. This should be a means of security, whereby if you don't have it, you don't have no business in our estate. I have a friend that lives in Meridian Estate. The day I went to visit him, they couldn't allow me to drive in. They have to stand on the gate. They called the man and asked me if he's aware that I'm coming. The man was one that gave them go ahead that they should allow me to enter. But my own estate is not so. If you are driving in with a car, they don't even want to know if you are living in a state or not, or a visitor. Once you on your inner light, they will just let you pass. Without checkmating whether you have weapon in your boot or even in your car. If you are trekking by foot, you don't even need to present anything. You just walk freely and enter our estate. I'm saying this to whom it may concern. Please take corrections. Those security people are not doing their works. I repeat, they are of no use to us. Instead of them to remain there and we'll be spending a hard dime money that we don't have, it's better they all go, so that we know that we don't have security in our estate. Let everybody safeguard his or her own families, because this whole thing cannot continue. After the robbery, they will come and start asking us useless questions that cannot prove or yield any results. People walk into your house, make their way to many things, and nobody cares. Please, for those that are in authority of Bagada Phase 2, wake up. Wake up. We cannot continue like this. We cannot continue like this. For those that are coming in from Canal, there should be security there. Once you are passing, They will ask you, are you a resident? If you are not a resident, they will make sure that they walk you straight while you make use of the road and walk away from and move out of the estate. Because I know that some people walk from Kana, from that shortcut gate to the main gate, whereby they get through to express road. Security should be worshipful. You don't just walk into a estate and remain there when you have no business in the estate. That's a big man's residence. And they paid for security. Huge amount of money for that matter. So our money shouldn't be in vain. You have to see the effects. If not, we say no to security again. Leave the gate wide open so that we know that we don't have security. Because this whole thing is getting out of hand. Not quite long they robbed my own house. They also robbed my neighbors. And nobody is saying anything. The only thing we had for so-called some men to come and say that they are security experts and the intelligent whatever. They ask us questions. Since then, some things they made away from our house have not been recovered. And those people that even came to rob us have not been apprehended. It shouldn't be. I repeat, it shouldn't be. I'm speaking on behalf of the whole estate residents. It shouldn't be. Please, our authority, our management or those that are in authority should take note. Those securities should be asking questions. Once they see you walking around the estate, they should ask you to, even those that are doing juggling, running up and down. Because I noticed that even people from Bariga, people from New Garage, people from Kana, people from Lady Lac are now coming into a estate to do juggling. That shouldn't be. That shouldn't be. Estate is not the only way you can do juggling. You have streets. We don't know who is who. All those boys that will come into our estate pretending that they are acting, that they are shooting movie or they are snapping photos. That shouldn't be. This is a big man residence. It should be respected. It should be respected. I repeat, it should be respected. Because you are paying for the security, people should not be moving around the estate as if it is no man's land. As if it is a marketplace. I've taken time to make this video, and I wish it go viral for those in authority to hear my voice. Bagada phase 2, precisely. Those in authority, you guys have to wake up. It shouldn't be all about what will enter your pocket. It shouldn't be all about what will enter your pocket, because tomorrow might be your turn. You might think that you are safe. Tomorrow might be your turn. If you are not living in a state, if you are coming to a visit, they should communicate to who the person is coming to visit. Cars to be thoroughly checked, not just inner light, and they will let you pass. Those walking on barefoot should be checked. If you don't have this ID card, you have no business coming into the estate. This is a warning. Because this armed robbery of a thing has not affected any of you in authority. But if action is not taken, I pray and I hope, by the special grace of God, you people will be the next victims.